Hey everyone! In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to prevent someone from taking your Facebook story screenshot. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. When you turn off taking screenshots of your story, only your friends can see your story, but they are unable to take screenshot and to record the screen. When someone tries to take a screenshot, Facebook shows a message "Can't the screenshot due to security policy" at the bottom of the screen. To prevent someone from taking your Facebook story screenshot, first, open Facebook app on your mobile. After that, go to your profile by tapping your name. Now, click on the three dots menu in the bottom right corner of your profile picture. This opens a menu with various options. From various options, select Lock Profile, and this will bring you to the profile lock settings. Now, from the bottom of the screen, tap on Lock Your Profile to confirm. And now, your story is protected from being screenshot by someone. Facebook don't allow its user to take screenshots of your story now. This is exactly how you can prevent someone from taking a Facebook story screenshot. If you have any questions or confusion about this topic, please let me know in the comments section below. And if you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial and tips.